You want more for your life. I can guess that about you, because everybody wants more for their lives. There's nothing wrong with wanting more. A better job, a better business, the right partner, great health, more opportunity, more reach, more impact. But we all have a natural tendency to go about it the wrong way. We see the end and not the means. We mistake symptoms for causes. The most dangerous of all, we conclude that we'd be different if our circumstances were different, which is almost never true.
Human mind is not made to stay at one place at one time. The commitment knows it. That's why we give it. This is why we say, okay, I commit to it.
Because we know that hard times will come, that we will find excuses why not to make it, that we will have days. We're not in the mood to practice it. We know these times are going to come, but this is why you do the commitment. There is a history in all of us, which cannot be changed, which means where we come from, what type of genes has been given to us. But at the same time, we also think that everyone in this world is absolutely free to express themselves in whatever way.
I think it was a really good question to sometimes pay attention to the fact that what has been given to you sometimes needs some care. When it becomes your habit, automatically a different quality starts to emanate from you. Increase this type of quality, then I think this is what you should do. You don't jump around too much. You are not undecided. Before you talk, you think. Before you talk, you think. You don't just let it flow out. But once it is said, it's backed up with action.
Let's begin with a Qigong routine designed to fix your life. It balances your energy, grounds your emotions, clears your mind, and revitalizes your physical body.
Open. Front. Turn. Back. Center. Finger up. Front. Now one more time. So. Open sideways. Come to the front. Turn. Back. This time, drop the palms, but align them sideways. Open.
Mindful breathing wakes up your energy centers. The lower dantian is considered your vitality battery. As you breathe, visualize golden energy flowing in with each inhale and old tension releasing with each exhale.
Cross. Align them sideways again. Push. Back to the front. Meet at the center. Lift the elbows. Align sideways again. Push. Turn the palms. Meet at the center. Out to the sides.
This movement symbolizes drawing energy from heaven and sending it down to earth. It awakens the spine, shoulders, and lungs, improving blood and qi flow. It also balances yin and yang forces in the body.
One more time. Bring the arms to the front, palm faces upwards. They meet at the center. Then bring them back. Elbows lift up, arms are on the inside. Arms are on the inside. Then they open to the side. Then you extend the arms again. You extend the arms. So from this extension, first the fingers pointing upwards, then they lightly point to the front. First you bend to the first, you turn a little bit to the front. And afterwards, you turn the other direction, palm facing upwards, back to the center, until they meet in the middle. When they meet in the middle, now both elbows open. In the moment where they open, in the moment where the elbow starts to bend, it automatically means that the palm, the arms, they are returning back. They return back. So from here, elbows bend, so they return back. Elbows are out, palms are in. Elbows are out, and the palms are in. So palms facing downwards, and then just open sideways. Point them upwards and extend out. So from here, before we move to the front, first small finger up, then turn. Palms facing upwards to the center. Elbows out, palms in, open, palms up, out. And again, in.
Shi Heng Yi encourages using the motion to let go of tension, anxiety, and fatigue. It also massages the internal organs gently, improving their function and keeping the body warm.
Again, in. Out. And drop. Inhale. Exhale. In. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Now, again. Inhale to the front. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.
This posture builds internal strength and stamina. Though static, it creates energetic pressure that strengthens the lower dantian and calms the mind.
So, beginning, open to the front. Turn pull back, rotate, front, finger up, rotate, center, fingers outwards, upwards, out.
It holds the power you've generated so it can nourish your system throughout the day.
One more time. In. Turn. Pull back. Continue the transition. Front. Finger up. Turn the palms. Front. Hands meet at the center. Hands in, elbows out. Open to the side and out. One more time. Open to the side. Come to the front. Turn. Back.
Shi Heng Yi refers to this as the place where transformation happens, when movement leads into stillness. Holding this posture teaches patience, focus, and resilience.
Turn. Palm upwards, back to the center, elbows out, palms in, and extend. And center. Now one more time I make it together with you, then you practice for yourself. Inhale to the front. Turn, back, transition, front, up, turn, back, elbows up, palms in, extend.
Deep breaths through your nose. On your inhale, imagine you're taking in fresh, vital energy from the world around you.
Okay, so open sideways, bring the arms to the front, rotate, pull back to the center, transition, palms face to the front, out. Turn finger upwards. Before we continue back, now pull back, elbows up, palms in, open sideways, push. No, don't push, extend. Drop the palms.
Continue doing this exercise for a few minutes. When you're ready, bring your feet together, place your hands over your lower abdomen, and take a few more deep breaths to center your energy. Then, take that feeling of aliveness and groundedness with you into the rest of your day.